In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear brake pad warning sensor on this BMW X5. This is going to be located behind the right rear wheel. Let's get into it. Now we're going to remove the wheel, use a 19mm socket. Take the lug bolts out. And before I take the last one, I'm just going to hold the wheel from falling. Take that out, grab the wheel, and pull it off. Now we're going to take the brake pad sensor out of the inboard pad. I'm just going to use some of these style pliers. These are trim tool pliers. Just grab that sensor, pull it out. Then where the cap is for the bleeder screw, take the cap off and pull the sensor off. Follow the wire back and you can see this cover right here. We're going to pop that up. I'm just going to use a small straight blade screwdriver. Just get underneath here. There's a couple clips holding it in. Pop those up. And it's like a door, it folds over. You can take it off and feed the wire through behind the shock. And there's a grommet that goes into a clip right here. Just pull that out. Just like that. Follow it back. Pull the grommet out of this bracket. Slide that over. You can follow it to this box. There's a couple clips right here. Just pop these back. Open that up. You can see the connector. Pull that off. And you want to push down on the tab on the connector. And disconnect the connector. Take the new sensor. Line the connector up, it only goes one way. And connect the connector so it locks in place. Now put the connector in the door. Just line the grommet up down below. That's in place. Close the door. Line this grommet up with this bracket. Push that in place. And take the wiring harness. And we're going to run that the same way it came out. Take that grommet, slide that through that bracket in the back, right there, and on top, run the wire through this bracket, and put that little door on, and lock it down. And before we go around the bleeder screw, we're gonna push this into the brake pad. If you need to, you can use the needle nose pliers. Get this lined up, just push it in. There we go, that's all the way down. And then around the bleeder screw and push the cap on. And there you go. Now install the wheel. And get the lug bolt started. And put the other lug bolts in. And snug those down. Now I'm going to torque the lug bolts to 111 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Just go around again, double check, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.